Hi, I'm Patty Azzarello, and I would like to share with you some of the things I'm going to talk about in our workshop at the Mile High Symposium in Denver in April. The workshop is on confidence and resilience, and boy, is this an important thing to really get into focus and have some techniques to deal with, because everyone suffers from imposter syndrome. Everyone. And what I would like to do is help you reframe that. Instead of saying, oh, I'm suffering from imposter syndrome, therefore I'm not qualified, to, hey, I'm suffering from imposter syndrome. This is a good thing because this means I'm trying to do something new and big and important. And by the way, everybody has imposter syndrome, so I just need to give myself permission to take action. And what I'm going to talk about in this workshop are some of those ways that you can find the confidence to give yourself permission to go forward even when it's uncomfortable. And that's really what confidence and resilience is all about. So I will see you there.